Welcome. In this video I will quickly guide you and explain each camera mode on HONOR X7d. So let's start by entering the camera, and the first mode you get here is the photo mode. It's the default photo mode. You can use the HDR optionally by tapping right here. You can use the flashlight, you can enable many different features for taking photos here. The next mode is the portrait mode, which lets you take a photo in a perspective to put something on a frontal camera plan, and this way you will make a more beautiful photo of, for example, someone blurring the environment behind them. The night mode lets you take clearer photos in the nighttime. The video mode is just like the photo mode. It's also a regular standard mode available on pretty much all modern smartphones. The Pro mode is basically the same photo mode, but you can manually adjust each settings by selecting the respective values right here. In more modes, you can also enable dual view mode, which lets you take photos both ways, both using your frontal and rear camera at the same time. Now, as for the slow-mo, lets you take slow motion videos. Panorama lets you take panoramic photos. Time-lapse, it's basically the opposite of the slow-mo, so you get a time-lapse video. Stickers lets you take photos with stickers on them, and you have a huge variety to choose from once you tap on stickers and see them. Just let me make sure. Oh no, you have to actually tap on the stamp here, and then you'll get various stickers you can put on your photo. You can also select from different categories. Now the following available mode is the high resolution mode, which lets you take the very detailed photos in bright environments, which is best for panoramic views. Now the scan document lets you scan documents, of course, and the story mode is the social media specific mode that lets you capture the story using different sub modes in it. And that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.